Welcome back to Dassi Insights. Today, we are going to talk about a very powerful idea, something simple but life-changing when you truly understand it. The idea is this: your salary should not only pay your bills, your salary should work for you. We are exploring the book How to Make Your Salary Work for You by Percy Singo, a book that focuses on financial literacy, smart money habits, and building a better future using the income you already have. Before we begin, if you enjoy clear and practical ideas like this, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It helps more people grow and learn. When most people receive their salary, they follow the same pattern. They earn money, they spend money, and then they wait for the next paycheck. This cycle continues again and again. It can feel normal, but it keeps people stuck. The book invites us to see our salary in a new way, not as something that only supports our present, but as something that builds our future. The first idea is very simple, but very important. You must understand your money. The book teaches that financial literacy is the starting point of everything. When you understand where your money comes from and where it goes, you start to gain control. Think about it like this. If someone gives you water every month, but you don't know where the holes are in your bucket, you will always feel like it's not enough. But once you see the holes, you can fix them. In the same way, when you track your spending, you begin to see what needs to change. Now, imagine a simple example. You earn a salary and you spend money on rent, food, and transport. These are necessary. But then there are small extra expenses. Coffee here, subscriptions there, and small purchases that feel harmless. When you don't track them, they grow quickly. Over time, they reduce ability to save and invest. The book encourages you to notice these patterns, not to feel guilty, but to become aware. As awareness grows, the next step becomes clear. You must manage your salary intentionally. This means you give your money direction before you spend it. Instead of asking, "What do I feel like buying today?" you start asking, "What is this money meant to do?" This is where the idea of balance comes in. The book explains that your salary must cover three important areas: your needs, your savings, and your growth. Your needs are simple. They keep your life stable. Your saving protects you from unexpected problems. Your growth is what moves you forward. Growth can mean investments, learning new skills, or building something that increases your income. Let's make this practical. Imagine you receive your salary and decide that a part of it will always go into saving account. Another part will go into something that grows over time, like investments or learning opportunities. Even if the amount is small, the habit is powerful. Over time, consistency builds confidence, and confidence builds results. Now, we move to another important idea: debt management. The book reminds us that debt can either support your progress or slow you down. Think of debt like carrying weight. If it's light, and controlled, you can still move forward. But if it becomes heavy, it slows every step you take. If a large part of your salary is going towards repaying debt, your money is not free to work for you. It's working for something from your past. So the goal becomes clear: reduce unnecessary debt and avoid adding new debt that doesn't create value. This doesn't mean you must be perfect. It simply means you make smarter choices over time. Now, let's talk about growth. This is where the transformation begins. The book emphasizes income growth and investment as key parts of making your salary work for you. Your salary is your starting point, but it should not be your limit. You can grow your income by improving your skills, looking for opportunities, or creating additional income streams. Even a small increase matters. When your income grows and your habit stays strong, the results become powerful. At the same time, you want your money to grow without your constant effort. This is where investing comes in. When you invest, your money begins to work in the background. It earns, it grows, and over time, it creates more money. Think about this simple idea. Imagine you save a small amount every month and put it somewhere that grows over time. At first, the change is small. You might feel like it's not doing much, but after many months and then many years, the growth becomes visible. This is the power of patience and consistency. Another important lesson from the book is protection. It's not enough to grow your money. You must also protect it. This can mean having emergency savings. It can mean having insurance where needed. It can mean avoiding risky decisions that could remove everything you have built. Protection gives you stability, and stability gives you confidence to move forward. As we continue, we must talk about mindset, because without the right mindset, none of these ideas will last. The book highlights the importance of a positive and disciplined mindset towards money and life. Your habit follows your thoughts. If you believe that your salary is never enough, you may stop trying to improve. But if you believe that your salary is a tool, something you can use and grow, then your behavior changes. You start to look for opportunities. You start to make better decisions. Let's imagine two people earning the same salary. One sees it as something to spend quickly. The other sees it as something to build slowly. Over time, their lives become very different, not because of how much they earn, but because of how they think and act. The message here is simple. Your salary isn't the problem. The way you see your salary is what creates the outcome. The book also reminds us that discipline is more powerful than motivation. Motivation feels strong, but it comes and goes. Discipline is quiet, but it stays. When you consistently save, when you consistently track your spending, when you consistently make wise decisions, your results become predictable. And here's something very important to remember. You don't need a large salary to begin. The principles remain the same at any level. Start small, stay consistent, improve step by step. As we come closer to the end of this reflection, I want you to take a moment and think about your own salary. Not how much it is, but how it's working. Is it the only helping you survive, or is it helping you grow? Because the real goal isn't just to earn money. The real goal is to build a life where your money supports your future, your dreams, and your freedom. Your salary can do that, but only if you guide it, protect it, and grow it with purpose. This is the heart of the message from how to make your salary work for you. It's not about complicated strategies. It's about simple habits, clear thinking, and consistent action. And when you bring all these together, something powerful happens. Your money begins to move in the right direction. Your stress begins to reduce. Your confidence begins to rise. You move from waiting for money to directing money. And that's where real finance freedom begins. Thank you for spending this time with me on Dassi Insights. And remember, your salary isn't just income, it's a tool. Use it wisely and it will work for you. Till next time, take care.